is up, y'all? I'm Benjamminoutdoors, and this is my channel.
Welcome back, y'all. So we're getting back working on the S1000. I had a few more items come in today that I've been waiting for a while. Now there's a big stack over there that's already come in, but the main one that I've been waiting for this puppy is the little stepper motor for the dash. So I already pulled it out of the packaging, but let's just say I wasn't very happy the way that it was packaged, because this little stem that the RPM needle attaches to was literally sticking out of the bag. Like, if this stem got broken, this unit is completely useless. So, it looks to be okay, but obviously, this is what the needle actually spins on. And it spins relatively fast too, so I don't understand why they package it like that. The Chinese, I guess, don't care. They're just shipping out the items. Significantly better than my other one. Anyway, let's go ahead and pull the motherboard out and everything and start assembling it back together. All right, so let's start pulling everything out of the drawer to start assembling it. So we got So first thing I'm gonna do is try out the stepper motor. So I'm popping it through like this. Nice. It's pretty sturdy. Heck yeah, $10. So let me just confirm that I don't need to put anything else behind here. I think we're good on the stuff that's behind here. So you can slowly feed the prongs into the plugs. So now I'm going to put this piece in. Goes over. Now I'm going to put my screws in. Should be, I think, 4 silver ones. You want to be gentle. You obviously don't want to torque these down very hard because it's going on to a very expensive motherboard. Now I'm going to wipe this piece of glass. Now I'm going to put the LCD on. So it goes on like this. That 45-degree cut goes underneath, and the ribbon goes like that, obviously. It's going to slide in like that, and it's going to lock in from down here. These little clips hold it in. Unfortunately, that is not crap just on the screen. It's actually like a scratch or something. So that's going to be left alone. Unfortunately, it's going to be the way it is. So this ribbon is going to sit inside of this clip. It's going to go like that, and then just pop into it. Like that. First, before I assemble it, I gotta try to clean this thing because it's a little nasty. Because I got dirt on it, I guess. I'm gonna try to clean it with a little degreaser. Hopefully that'll work. Put it on like at an angle and then like turn it without destroying the cover. There you go. RPM needle back on. Let's go plug it in and see what it does. Let's see if this thing works. Fingers crossed. Probably gonna move the dial a little bit and then reset it at 0 and kind of see if we can get the full range of motion. Let's pop this back off. Let's try that again. Probably a little bit more. Goes up to 14. So I need to probably move it to the 2000 mark. And then I'll need to pop it back off and then move it back to 0. Put it back on 0. Yikes. Only goes up to 14,000. Gotta do that again. Try it again right there. It's almost like it only can go this distance. Goes from 1,000 to 15. Then you move it to 2, and it'll probably go to 16. Yeah, it goes all the way to 16. So it's like 2,000 RPMs off. Interesting. Well, you know, it does work, so I'm going to assemble it like it is, and I'll probably put in a word with the company. Maybe try to get my $10 back, because they also kind of messed up the shipping, because it could honestly be damaged and I don't know it. I mean, but for the most part it works, so that's a success, I guess. Now we're going to clean the cover real quick inside of it. Now we're going to finish assembling it. There we go. She's fully assembled again. She's ready to install back on the bike. All right, let's test fire it again. So, the stepper motor is very smooth, but the only issue with it is it doesn't go all the way to 16, or at least doesn't appear to. When it does its cycle, when you first turn the key, it goes to 14. So I guess we'll see if it actually goes to 16 when you actually get to 16. I'm not sure. I kind of highly doubt it, but anyway, it's back together. The stepper motor's in and it's working mostly. And I'm pretty happy the bike runs and starts and everything, so I'm just going to leave it as is for right now. So that is going to be it for this video. I appreciate y'all watching. I'm probably going to try to start uploading shorter videos so I can get more of them out there. It's just so much harder for me to edit these like 6 hours of working into like 20 minutes. It's just a lot of work, so I'm going to try to spread it out a little bit more so I can get more content out to you more often. Anyway, in the next video, I'm going to try to replace a lot of the main issues with the bike, like the timing chain cover, the sliders, stuff like that. But until then,